Honor has been making some good smartphones in the mid-range segment for quite a while now. However, this is probably the first time that they're making an impact in the sub 10k rupees segment. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. We've been testing the Honor 7C for about a week now, and here are our impressions. The Honor 7C features a design that's definitely a trademark of Honor, something that Honor has sort of pioneered over the past year or so. A unibody metal design that's quite similar to the 7X and 8 Pro, and that's a good thing considering they too were good looking devices and the build quality was on point. The 7C doesn't exactly weigh much, but is solid and can definitely withstand a drop or two. In terms of ergonomics too, it's good thanks to the curved back and lightweight aluminum. It's not the smallest of phones, but it does manage to house a massive 6-inch display and reduce the bezels quite a bit considering the price point. Speaking of the display, you get a 6-inch IPS panel with 18:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels. Being an IPS panel, it's quite sharp despite what the resolution might suggest. The display is a bit reflective, but the brightness compensates for that and offers decent outdoor visibility. The phone allows you to customize the color modes as well as toggle the night filter and also schedule the same. In terms of biometrics, there's a fingerprint scanner at the back that's always active and is also accurate, albeit a tad bit slow due to the unlock animation. You can also make use of the face unlock that uses the front-facing camera that allows you to reveal the notifications on screen or unlock the phone itself, and it works really well and is quite fast. There are two variants available, 3+32 or 4+64, and both come with dual nano SIM support and a dedicated microSD card slot. Both are powered by a Snapdragon 450 chipset with EMUI 8 atop Android 8.0 Oreo. So far the performance has been smooth and we feel that EMUI has been well optimized over the years and is one of the fastest custom UIs out there. One slight gripe we had is the missing 5GHz Wi-Fi support, but connectivity both of wireless and cellular are otherwise fine. The 7C packs in a dual camera setup and is one of the few smartphones under 10k rupees to do so. You get a 13MP f2.2 camera as well as a 2MP depth sensor. There's also an 8MP f2 camera up front, and here are some samples from both to give you a peek on what to expect. Thanks to a depth sensing camera, you also get a portrait mode which Honor calls the wide aperture mode that allows you to mimic the effects that you get from a variable aperture camera, and the good thing is that you can even adjust the focus as well as the blur levels after you've even captured the photo. The 6-inch display is actually powered by a 3000 mAh battery which does pretty well and gives around 6 hours of screen on time on most days, which is good even for heavier users. That's it for this video guys. We'll include purchase link in description below. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.